So I'm going to let my brother scramble up my Rubik's Cube. So he's just randomly scrambling up. Hopefully he does a pretty good job of scrambling because I really want to scramble.
A ton!
We don't have the best Rubik's Cube in the world, so yeah, it's the start. So Christopher is currently scrambling up the cube. So tell me when you're ready, Christopher. I'd say that looks pretty scrambled.
No, there's still some stains.
You ready?
Yeah.
Time now. It's been over a minute, or about a minute. Okay. Now, Christopher, you gotta make sure I don't put my face.
Okay.
And is the cube in the camera?
Yes.
And I will start solving in 3, 2, oh whatever, no countdown. So what I do is I want the cross first, and now I have to get the corner pieces in. Apparently they're all placed, which is not exactly what I want. I want them to be all on the bottom row, so it's a lot easier.
But one side already done.
Almost. Oh, so wrong. Okay.
Come on! You've been selling it for a minute now!
Yeesh, I have no idea what I'm doing. Even though I do know how to solve it, you'll see that I can actually solve it. I just made a really silly mistake. My bad. Well, we're human. We all make mistakes. Now that's one side solved. Now I'm going to solve the bottom, or the middle layer. The bottom's last. And, yep. Okay, just 2 more edges need to be placed.
2 minutes.
Well, that's Christopher. You've been scrambling for a minute.
I know.
So, like, cross out 1 minute. You do know that, right?
Yeah.
You've been scrambling for an entire minute. The bottom layer is the longest one that takes to solve the cube. Hopefully it's all lined up. Yes, it is. Now this takes the longest time. Oh, well, you know, I already have one corner placed, which is actually good. Add that place. No. I'll just do that same algorithm that I just did. Yes. Okay, this is where you want to be to finish off solving the cube. You can see I'm almost done. I have been practicing for about 3 months.
I'll say 4.
About 3.
I'll say 3.5.
Maybe 3.5. But yeah, I've been practicing for quite a long time, and I am pretty good. I can say that.
Can you one-hand solve it?
No. I need both of my hands to solve this cube. I cannot solve it with one hand. This is the last algorithm, and it is, oh, not yet, now it's solved.
Yay. Bye.